These eco-worthy solar panel mounting brackets provide a solid ground mount solution that comfortably supports multiple high-wattage panels for home, farm, or off-grid setups. The reinforced frame design, including a central support rod and wide column spacing, greatly reduces flexing so panels stay secure even under heavy snow or strong wind. Adjustable tilt settings between 30 degrees and 60 degrees help you fine-tune the angle for better sun exposure and noticeably higher energy output through the seasons. The galvanized steel construction resists rust and weather damage, giving you a long-lasting structure that can stay in service for well over a decade with minimal maintenance. Thoughtful details like space behind the rack for mounting an inverter, charge controller, or batteries help keep your solar components organized and save valuable ground space. Clear instructions and an installation video make assembly straightforward for do-it-yourself users so you can build a sturdy, professional-looking array without hiring a contractor.